Welcome back to the dream. Today we are going to work with the Simian strategy, which is a new today we are going to work with the Simian. The strategy, this is a private strategy, so you will see it right now. I am working with it in another branch, so I'm going to do a copy so that they can work with it. And then what they need is to have to stop in each bar. This is done in scripts. Simian is based the day the okay. So easy. So they are used to do this to cover datum. Okay, so first of all going to go to the branch. This is why it's Simian, because it's working with a coin. Whoa. Here we have the day. Hi there. Yay, JJ. Whoa, this is J. Though we have it there, now I can go back to main. And in main we have in May we have the inversion, which has the samurai stuff, which have this and 3 logic, and the yay, an exit logic, and all of that. So I going to use the samurai as so template also, if it makes sense, so that they can copy of thieves. The logic, then I can modify it. Yay. So I will be doing the samurai from scratch, but I don't want to do that. The goes yay, so let's work, let's try to recreate all of this stuff in them. And yay, maybe we can just work with them. Either like a mean samurai, it's going to be them leather. Now I'm going to work with and leather as a copy of the samurai logic maybe. What can I'm sure how to implement this is that. Yay oil. We will apply samurai, and then yay, we will work with this, and buy them, and that's it. So first of all, We need a copy from the Sigma tutorial wages. A must so. Sing military, or with risk management. Why the moment you should know cities. Whoa. Risk management. I'm going to copy it. So that we work from scratch from the risk management template. So we put this into the normal. En masse, so this is going to be an Simian. Now we can. The scene of strategy. And we didn't give it name. As we always do. Hey. Whoa. We are going to compare. Have we always do the ambition with the end version so that we can copy and paste the usual changes. Hey. So the first thing we want to change is the version and their name. Though it's going to be like this. Now we need to edit the right strategy, which is the and one. And we will update. Whoa, this is N1 is the first one from Ha. This is N1. So right now we should check that changes. And one. So. That's right. For now we can save these changes. Here we are. The nice changes say, and that we want to use this in 30 minutes. Now I can test the changes. And I want to use this in 30 minutes. And what? Sorry. Don't that was a guy either know how it will translate it to the boys to fix stuff. That. And that's another car again, so. The 30 minutes we need to say A. This is A. Here's the keeper. Hey. The now. It says 30 minutes and 8. Huh. Gates, so now we need to save the changes about the strategy. Though they should be as easy as doing this. We always use and some that we can check this strategy changes. Then we also have how their strategy works. So this the same as a nation as always. I'm not going. I'm the guy they didn't even, if the Simian strategies works in another way he goes, but the much work. Hello. The nation how strategy works. Now. I have to implement the caster and raven logic, or whatever it is this, because this is the mess that this is the what's the name, the samurai logic. So yeah, so more or less what we're going to limit here is the samurai logic, so this is why they want to check. Though I don't care about the version, I don't care about the her, I don't care about the name. So do I want all of this stuff? Yeah, I want is, once I don't need them, but we will just choose them. We enable the laws, and the we may I mean stop loss, and I'm thinking profits, or disable. And custom gus them break even is enabled, so we enable it. Later, we will turn as the loss, but right now we want to just copy the current strategy. We also have this stuff, which is the revolve type. Which I'm actually use them, maybe I won't apply them, because I didn't think I need them, so I'm not going to apply them. The eggs okay, and all of this stuff, which should not be using any revolt, stop it's here. Yeah, and this is a blood, and once we come into the blood we should not have too many changes again, so here there is the how we close positions. Though here we close it with the highest closing, and this is going to change their lowest closing, and this is also going to change, I guess. This is the break even up, and once again what happens with the break even? So I think we also won this, and we're done. So this is the strategy of the other thing that we didn't copy, was at this thing about to remove the revolve. And everything else was copied except from the block that we always the separate comment. Okay, now we will just add those changes here. And we will see. We will say that a man samurai 3 real lucky, which has a say I don't want to work samurai actually. And want to work Simon Camp. Whoa. Now I'm going to blood the strategy, and then I going to do the changes so that we just update our changes. And we let this stuff like this stay. What's right? And yeah, we're going to plug this thread. And that we're that so now. I wanted breath send you the see me in the Simon strategy care, so what they want to do is to compare. Not them, which had more or less what we are used to by BJ. Here. You see what we can do with this. Well, this is day 50, so we don't care about the a bit unfair its futures. May we don't care, so now that changes, which is the exist 29 cents, or 23. Oh yeah, we do not use the highest grossing minimum, highest grossing maximum, highest is a minimum, we only use the even, we don't even use them, but it's better. It's better to apply those differences. Yay, I gave me a BC. Right, years 3 branches, and 3 ranges drugs runs rate is I might be able to remove these of stuff. Yay, let me say this. And let's check. 242. White them him. Why? They should be. 1 second. $225 the conservatives benefits etc etc. Yay, we have all of these stuff about as low as closing minimum, highest grossing maximum. We're not going to use this. And we're not going to use any option about trading reaches, referring us to reaches, or not. He does with the myth that we don't need to detect this, so I can remove all of this stuff. Now I usually do this in steps, and now I'm going to be fast, so okay. Let me see that we remove all of this, yeah, okay with it. We want to stop us to be true. That's right. How we want custom break even the right. We want. As the last to be 5% is that of 0%. That's right, he does that. Have seen in a strategy try that. We don't want these rewards types, so we don't have them. Then we have leverage, so 38 he goes yay. Because I needed this is going to be 10% of the capital it's time, so this is custom risk management. So are these our lines, so this extra lines. These extra lines are from the improvements that have the latest SIG military trial scrapes, so it's okay that they are. The extra lines here, okay, so the story. How we using it? No, we are not, so we just Okay, we can test play this. Then all of this stuff. I is using the stuff that the begin. What the we're doing the here is just this part of here. Which I will have to rewrite, because here. Hey, let me see. Hello. What jeller me see, if I can. Who something with this. Whoa, let's save here. Let's. Let's fix this stuff with before going. So this is. For 8-1 maybe it's for 1 a nutshell. So what we here is the remote all of this stuff. From here to the here. So bad we want this bit from here. Her guess, so this is the bias that we want to get. This is what we want to remove. And now they should happen always. Though we are going to just go like this. Again. Then now I can update, and I can keep checking the differences so we don't have all of this stuff we have that does the break even. We don't have revel. We have custom break even, we have guess the break even meets trigger. And though we have test, this is the logic, if you cross other the he level. Are you go. A friend got train. And the view across other, or over the range he level, which is 17. They did go with the thread, okay, that's the same in a strategy, that's it. So another viable, so here we also want this to be our logic. So we apply it, though this is the new code. Okay. Here. Hello, this is the new code. I think that this is going to repeat. Here. So here there is a difference, but he won the right, because is the one that the users enable as the enable any of that was. Okay, so we're done some now. How have we checked the difference? We have lot of stuff. Camp. Huh. Huh. Okay, so now the comment is going to be a. It's not going to be a boolment that they're going to say apply, because we are modifying we are modifying it's going to be apply Simian logic. Now. Should. Wow. Those changes, so maybe we should try and see if it works at all. Against the now. Go to trade beer. Here I have the tea. Hey soil. So. Hey 12 that works. Since you're away, so what they're going to do is to. I'm going to remote, and for which is the samurai. Which I may add either way there, so. Yay, so I going to add it to T, or 12, so then it becomes J15, which is the old code. I happen to have to tape it the me here, so I'm just going to copy. Paste it. Her guess so. The. It's like this, it would be rather, but that's when we have by now. Hopefully this goes down, because right now it's not going down, should go down by the does not go down. It doesn't go down again, so now we are going to add a new strategy, which is going to be the and one against them now. Where is a new strategy? When we just copy it and we paste. Okay, so this is and one. So the difference is that this strategy is going to have an updated as the each of our okay. And that's the thing that they wanted. Then now I should be able to add the strategy to the chart. And yeah, here you have run a strategy that it's a bit different. Not much. Small problem. How's that? Here 5. So you can see the let's compare both of them. Okay, I forgot about this. This is a general mark commentary of them, and does not constitute investment advice, okay? So where are you? Like this, so, if you... Here we make. Here we make, and a snapshot of this thread. When we compare it with, and one, we will see the differences due to the stop loss. I guess so, as you can see the BL the strategy day 050. He's better, because it has a bigger net profit. By .h2a. It has less threads. That means that it's the more traits you have, at the more comfy then you are, that the strategy is going to work as you use it. It says 62 for a profitable, so it's not too much, but it's agree the greater than 50% profit factor is 178, and the max that the downtown is 181. It's 20 bars birth rate. We take a look at M1, which amateur we need to take, we need to check if it works more or less like that date 15 took to say, if it's the same thing or not. And we also will compare the source code, okay, so the N1 has sum up the so much profit as the old one, so it's 528 instead of by 82, but it has mods rates. So we are more confident, and then it's also 80% for profitable. That means that the 100th rates, 80 of them are. I good they don't have any loose melodies, then there's profit factor of tonight which is bigger than 178. And well, the way that it goes up, it is more than this, while he I think. It's true that it goes down here by a lot of afraid that yeah, that's what we have. Here goes down, here we go to up, so maybe it's not so bad, and it has also a nice thing that it doesn't the last the much. In straight it only lasts 7 bars by trade, and here is 20 bucks for 3, so I think this is a better strategy even if you have a less profit. It's not too much, and the weekend have some math here, so this is 10% the last. This is I don't care about that. Okay, so now I want to compare once again. I went to compare near the J strategy. This is not it, I want to compare the J strategy with the N1. Yeah, so that we check that the only changes that are it's just your stuff, and the yeah, but the logic maybe not the dollar, I mean the logic has. We don't have to see any logic uploading to all of these things that the it actually was using this small thing, yeah. So I think everything is okay. I think about everything is a game. Here. So I got to copy that to the J50 me, and end is the same thing. Let's check the graph is almost the same thing. On here let's check what happens here so you can second here. There's some. And now we have. I want to check the so this is sir. This is set with them as the last 5%. So that means that. What here? Yeah, we have 5% again, so from here. Here we have 5% stop loss, that's okay, because that's the cheek, so my question is what does happen here? Why is there? And stop loss there. Hi, this is like a take profits or break even. But I am not sure what the hell is this. So I went to the back this, because yeah, so that they want to check his take profit. If it's turn or not, take profit is not turn. And then we have break even, which is a custom one. What I'm not sure what the hell is this, so when It could be a break-even base. This yellow line, but that's not right. He goes, we should be using the one down here instead. But only if it breaks down. Here we have something similar, so there's stop loss down here. I don't know why, that's what I want to check. Now I'm going to compare. No, I'm going to come from the signal tutorial. Against. This near was great that we have created within. That way I can check what the source code does. Okay, I think they know what this is. This is the X maybe. Yay, I make them a check. I need 17 line. Which is going to be blue, because I want to. Then this is going to be a nice thought. How we are going to have 29 lash line. Is that so? Let's see if it has also something to do with this. So what's the prince on the blue line? Sorry, the white, the line is the eggs, so what we're doing here is that when the eggs goes from about the above 29 and goes under it. That's not right. I didn't call this. What's going on? Wait a moment. Hey, let's check. What are the differences where it was the okay, so what we do here is that if there's a cross under the range key level, so this is not the reason why this is closing here. Where is it? How last? This face. This is not the recent, because we are going down 29 when we were not going up, so by the moment when tonight is 29. Again. The wheel go up, and then we go the other way around there, that's right. But what the hell, why is this close in here? This has something to do with the what? That's why they want to check what's here. He kills, this isn't a stop models, this is not a close. What close? and this is the break even, just the break even midstream. Okay. So currently our break even is based break even paraguayan, which is that the for the break even. So that means that we have to break even. Okay, that makes sense. Oh yeah, maybe having a break even is a good thing, but this is not what we want to do at all. Okay, so let's see, where is it? Now. Break even. Which is by the fall guy too. The constant break even it's 1%, and then you have 0.2%. Okay, so that means that we should have 0.2% here. Now we have not, what the hell. So we should have 1%. Highland understand it. Sir, I can understand the right given for one with 1%. Then having 0%, but then there's this as the last shot stop loss. Maybe this is a problem, so here we say that as the he is the highest in and A. That's for try, so that means that the way we go down here. He's history. Maybe the problem is, you know, was I didn't understand me. Yeah, maybe. How can I know what happens? So first of all, when we have 1%, more or less the yeah, 1%, I'm not sure where when we have 1% the break even triggers, and then it checks then the next. Then it's when the next candle checks about. The next candle checks enabled was the break even. And uses this new as the laws, which is the highest him, and so this is not going to work well, because we want to close to here, we want to close down here. Because here, and actually we want to. We just want to change there so that it's the other way around, it's the highest in A. So yeah, so did Smith, this needs to be fixed. Okay. So I want to fix this. So let's check everything. So first of all the stop the show the last needs to be the other way, the other one okay, the other one here. Maybe it's something here between them, not sure about this. Yeah, I should say just go to work in between. Yeah, now that's not right, so we need to let's focus, and the other one. Yeah, so right now. Where have we have a boy, it's email logic, now we have to refine the no logic. So that it works whether. Him down. Yay. Hey, let's focus. Hey, let's focus. What we want to do is to have what you want. Where's the furthest stop? As the other way around, so the longest of needs to be working with the lowest. And this is needs to be working with the highest in, and the fair. That's right then. We have hate the moment. Forget, and then we have around here. We have the other change, which is when do we want to break even to trigger again, so this is the we are in love position he wanted trigger. When where is it? Why this was right. As the last needs to be using high yes. Yeah, that makes sense, and this one needs to be used in lowest gloves, and the yeah. Here that's right, so now. What they want to use this highest grossing, and okay. So high as closing in a lump per session. And an additional break even he used to stop the highest grossing me as his last. And the other way, the other thing is that you know. So all the you want the lowest close him, and with the break even. We want the lowest Wilson, and to be used like that. So this is what we want. Here. Ha. White them. Ha. Beside of that we have this stuff, which says that I want to close. If the thing now goes, there are the highest loading in A. Yeah, that's right, and at the same time. The clothes is a positive, because you win. This is something that the news before. But I'm not sure we want this because we will probably be like that. He was under the highest grossing. And he's the... I'm not sure if I want this or not. So is there any way that... Okay, so we're here. Then maybe we'd go down here, then we go up. Yay, we don't want this to happen. Here the bandit sits right, I'm going to keep it like this. Whoa. What we want to hear, he stood at those changes. He said custom break even. Senior logic. Damn. And now I can test this totem. Whoa, let's make in a screenshot that this and one strategy. To that we can compare later. How can I have it right now like this like? How have it around here so, and one. When yay, so. What we wanna hear is to copy. Let's see what happens. We shouldn't have this stuff loves yet. That doesn't mean it's going to be better bet. I see something about I see him, but besides that the now. We have something different. The now we have a bigger that traffic more or less the same traits. It's much less profitable because we lose more traits. As you can see, maybe this is not so good because too many traits where you go down and year. I mean the original one, this is like this, it's fine. Urban bin here is not. Oh yeah, and then go down here, this is I'll illustrate. Get so this is something that yeah. This is something that it could be improved. So one thing that I tried it last night. The last 2 years by. As the gloves and like. So we have here this high glazing and the leg and logos and the link. So what happens right now that we have to stop with buy. So as you can see, we have less percentage, we don't have 6, but we have 5 of 9, we have more or less the same. rates, but it's 70 to 21% for the wolf. Profit factor is 2%, then the darkness speaker is bigger. Okay, so goes down, and yet, but here we can close here. Yeah, weekend it's the brother, yeah, it doesn't. The problem is that when we can choose for maybe we can, but this is Terry becoming that's not right when doing this stuff, so and for we do 1 here, close here. Okay, yeah, so see the percentages. Yeah, so 5 and 5. 1 maybe. Yeah, maybe 6, the good thing, too fat. Let's see 7. You know, where to put this. The other way of doing this is having another language skills in the mental, and just trigger the middle line, and that's it. Maybe that's better, but I think this is another strategy, maybe with an option. So that's why they wanted to do, I wanted to have this strategy. I hear. Now we have to just turn it so that it works a bit better. Yeah, how would you have 60% profitable, what they want more? We also have the break even, okay. That's another way of not the most, the much. Although I don't like it sometimes. So we can get something like, hey, we can add some people like enable break even, and then we say that when we have $1 buy the send, we go like this. And we have 75% profitable, but that's because of the break even. So here he closed because of the break even, maybe, and now he had to how are we going with 5 or yeah, the next 5 or so. What we high with 5, we go back to 80%, you can see. And we are not losing everything, but just to be so, yeah, I mean you can look at these, we are losing everything because of the break even. That's why break even is nice, but it's also not so nice sometimes. Oh yeah, so that's why I don't choose it. So right now we have the strategy. Let's see if there are more changes that we need to take a look at it. Yay. Hello, this is the logic. I also wanted to do something like was other 29, but I'm not sure about that. Mayor with the stop loves makes more sense. By the other test that they have them went so good. Why high schools in anything against so first of all? Ha. One server was the. Yay, most of all let's try a beard the across other stuff. With our mother find the source code on my side. So this like this my ear. So I went to cross other. Not cross other in other to say that we want to go to the other side. So this maybe go here, instead up. You can't. You can see a movie grows up 39 here. So I could shorten that we don't cross down, so this is why I don't short everything yet, so the strategy faster. Has less profitable as profit 4% is, instead of 6%. Yeah, so that's why gross other is not so good. We have some. Here we don't detect. Yeah, it's better not to have this cross either. We'd prefer a cross other. Okay. When working with that we're working with them, that's right. So. So what they might save here is the 5 for the class and A. Okay, so that this is 5. This 5. So that we have 70%. Okay, and it's a bit better. Well, this is something that I'm going to say. So right now we should not have any change. Ha. Somewhere. 100 the rainbow. We should find this. Whoa. This is the land. And we shouldn't have the same thing that with. Like this. Whoa, this is. Hurricane. How we just added. And now. This is my. This is a thing where they wanted to test which is the meal line again. So here you sure do now to go in the middle. If I am in a to be in the middle, so that means that I can abuse this. Because he should be in the downside. Yay. They the one slightly sex for life. Here yay. Here we have the middle line, or we have just like this, we'll have like this. There. Me too. Yay, this line, which will stop here, and not here. The year of the we do this. Maybe we can improve this anymore. Anyway. We have a strategy we'll have with happen, which is supposed the day they need bar. So that means that stop will we set it to the change. So let me check that the duration type is everything, so that's nice. Yay, this will be a bit in its trade, so this is what they want that. Where we set it to 5 is 70% profitable. It's not the match, because we have several traits that will go down. Let's check, let's take a look them, and then we have this 5% stop lot. Maybe we should modify it so that he has another value. But I'm not sure what value to get here, because either to cherry pick it. But at the same time it's something that you are supposed to do, so maybe we can change stop loss to ADRA. Now we have 60% instead of 70%. Hey, let me check one thing. So we have a trade which is year round here. This is 5% care. Now going to change this so that it's a PR. He can. And these three the wages. 6 April. Why is it 6 of real? This one, this is no longer 5%, this is to 74. That's less than before. So if we turn the post them from a target, again with 10 days to come standard, we have 5% instead of our the person care. Now we can play with this baby. What 1, but not 1, but 5 but 1. Okay, so let's check the above view maybe rather than thing. Because we can save. He can save some my baby wee. A boy not at once. So thanks to the HA we can do something like this. Its dynamic doesn't matter too much. Okay, so this is not going so well. Okay, so if the stop loss is to close, this is not working properly. So we kept this one, which is 1 for the 5, seems to work quite well. Yay, once would you fight seems to work well with us. 130 not the much. Here are the moment 135. Where's Woods 130 watts? 1 to defy sorry. So 135 give us 6%, which is quite nice. We have a 60% profit. Those profit by the bugs Darwin is quite down, so it has a nice car. I'd like it out fight. Holy this, so I might apply these 8 there, shoot this strategy. I'll leave it like that, so let's see. What we want to do is to... Where are you? What you want? As the to be 80 hour. By default. Damn. And then we want its multiplier to be 125. And we want to stop loss to be through weights. It's already through, okay. Whoa. The now. Now we have 6.01, okay. Who should be able to copy paste this the source code here. Huh. And here we go to the strategy to the Wii. Reset settings, we have 631%, we have this nice Arabica weekend. Look at these, like that has this nice graphic. That's what they wanted to the. So now we are going to Bob the version, so this is going to be and 2. This is going to be and to wait more money. Yay, this is going to be answered. We will have Simon. Strategy. one version. To answer it, now this is and 2. This is and 2. And the assists main, so this special, so let's edit the script. So right now I have the old the script and the newer school. So the oldest gram is the day 15, which I have my here. Okay. Right the moment the her yay. This one. They want this girl. Again, so the newest grapes. It's the one, which is that, and 2. Whoa, it's here. And it's here, I mean I could right, it may be my very bright as oh the next be there, but right now, and just I'm fine with this. I'm fine with this, so this is the and 2. So let's add it to the sell it to the description. One that you can check it out. Yay, the next by the will be about the next bad when we about that regretted it from scratch. Yay, so that we have it properly one place. So this is the and so let's and the strength here. What we have done today is a Simian strategy. With stop each bar again, this one thing that I going to test. And we have not used the samurai logic, because they donated then there's stuff about their BPR stuff, which we could be added that I'm sure that they're going to add the Peter. So I also want to tell you that this is a general market commentary, and it does not constitute investment buys, okay? So here we reel, end the stream. Huh. Huh.